Hola, hoy vas a aprender de los adjetivos demostrativos. Por favor, usa las páginas 11 y 12 en tu paquete para tomar apuntes mientras que miras el video. Use the pages 11 and 12 in your packet to take notes while you watch this video. Anytime you see this symbol, it means that you should either be looking at or writing in your packet. So first we need to talk about what a demonstrative adjective is. In Spanish, as in English, demonstrative adjectives are words that demonstrate or point out the noun that is being talked about. Similar to other adjectives in Spanish, the demonstrative adjectives agree with the noun in number and gender. However, unlike other adjectives, the demonstrative adjectives go before the noun they are modifying, whereas most adjectives go after the noun in Spanish. Primero empezamos con this and these. En español se dice esta, este, estas, estos. Esta and este both mean this, but esta is for feminine nouns and este is for masculine nouns. Estas and estos both mean these, but estas is used with feminine nouns and estos is used with masculine nouns. The demonstrative adjectives este, esta, estos, and estas are used to point out nouns that are close to the speaker and the listener. For example, me gustan estos zapatos. You can see that the shoes are close to the listener and the speaker. Please note that the masculine singular form does not follow the pattern. It isn't esto, it's este. We will talk about why this is later. Ahora hablamos de that and those. En español se dice esa, ese, esas, y esos. Esa y ese both mean that, but esa is feminine and ese is masculine. Esas y esos both mean those, but esas is for feminine plural and esos is for masculine pronouns. The demonstrative adjectives ese, esa, esos, and esas are used to point out nouns that are not close to the speaker. They may, however, be close to the listener. Look at the example. Prefiero esa blusa. You can see that the blouse is not close to the speaker, however, it is closer to the listener. Again, note that the masculine singular form does not end in an O, it ends in an E, ese. Finalmente, let's talk about two demonstrative adjectives that we actually don't have in English. That is for something that is farther away than that one. So we in Spanish class will use that over there and those over there as our English translation. En español se dice aquella, aquel, aquellas, y aquellos. Aquella and aquel both mean that over there, but aquella is feminine and aquel is masculine. Aquellas y aquellos both mean those over there, but aquellas are feminine and aquellos are masculine. The demonstrative adjectives aquel, aquella, aquellos, y aquellas are used to point out nouns that are far from the listener and the speaker. Look at the example. Aquel barco es grande. The boat is far away from our speaker. And again, please notice the difference in the masculine singular form. You might think it's aquello because that follows the pattern, but it is not. It doesn't follow the normal pattern. So you need to use aquel here for singular masculine nouns. Y tenemos un rima para recordar los demostrativos. But before we get to the rhyme, please copy down this chart in your packet. Okay, now that you have that copied down, here's the rhyme. This and these both have T's. That and those, no T goes. Have to yell, use aquel. Ahora en tus paquetes, por favor, mira los ejemplos. Esta camisa, this shirt. Notice esta is in front of the noun that it's modifying, but it does match in gender and number. Ese vendedor, that vendor. Notice again, it's in front, but it's also masculine singular. Y finalmente, aquellos zapatos, those shoes over there. Again, it's in front, but it is masculine and plural. Gracias. Complete the Google form to show off what you know.